Welcome to the 21-day snapback challenge. This week we are focusing on the lower body, the glutes, the hamstring, the quads. So grab some water and a towel. Remember, we will be working out for 45 minutes. So repeat round 1, which is what I'll be showing you right now, for the duration of 45 minutes. Rest between each set. Let's get started. It is important to warm up before every exercise to prevent injury. So we're going to warm up for 5 minutes, 30 seconds of jumping jacks, and 30 seconds of running in place. Remember, in between each set, rest for 30 seconds. You're going to repeat the round until you complete 45 minutes of this workout. Now, download a stopwatch so you can monitor your time for both the duration of your workout and for your warm-up. Starting off in a squat position, move 2 counts to the right, pushing off with the opposite leg. That's 1 repetition. Repeat on the opposite side and complete the sets and repetitions that's written in your Trainer's Vault link PDF file. Once your repetitions are complete, rest for 30 seconds before beginning the next exercise. Stand with your legs shoulder width apart, sit back, and bring your left leg behind you. Bring the left leg in front. Now return to the squat position. Continue alternating sides for the repetition set in the PDF file in the Trainer's Vault link. Once your repetitions are complete, rest for 30 seconds before beginning the next exercise. Grab your mat and start from a kneeling position with knees about shoulder width apart and feet straight behind your knees. Contract your glutes and push up and return to position in a slow and controlled manner. If hopping up is too difficult, you're going to step up into a squat position about halfway. If that's too difficult, you're going to step up into a standing position and return back into a kneeling position. Once your repetitions are complete, rest for 30 seconds before beginning the next exercise. This move is great for balance and coordination for beginners. You're going to move forward, back, then counterclockwise. Remember, 4 counts is 1 repetition. Complete the amount of repetition that's set for your fitness level. For advanced and intermediate, you can stay here or you can switch to just hopping on one leg. Hopping on one leg counterclockwise, 4 counts equals 1 rep. Once your repetitions are complete, rest for 30 seconds before beginning the next exercise. After the total completion of your workout rounds, remember to cool down for 5 minutes.